News 13 Skywarn weather.
And we've got some strong storms out there. It's on the other side of the state, though. It's north of Tucumcari, strong line drifting southward. For us, so it's kind of been spotty on and off throughout the afternoon. For tonight, 49 degrees, partly cloudy skies. If we are seeing some showers, of course, those are going to die down. 90 degrees tomorrow, partly cloudy. Definitely going to be a warmer day for us. 56 in Farmington, partly cloudy here. And tomorrow's highs well on into the 90s. Matter of fact, we'll be brushing up near those mid-90s. 85 right now in Durango, 95 in Farmington, 91 in Cortez. Much cooler off to our east, though, around Taos and Santa Fe, even up towards Raton. The good reason for that is because of the storms we have out there. Wind speeds around 13 in Durango, 16 in Farmington, with the same in Cortez. So we've got a pretty good line of storms rolling off our mountains across much of the Intermountain West, from Colorado up to Wyoming and down here into New Mexico as well. So what's going on? We've got some dry air moving into the region. So we've got essentially a line that extends the central mountain chain clear on up into Wyoming and even to Montana, where we're seeing those showers develop. What will happen for us, though, is we'll end up seeing some drier air moving in, be a little bit more bearable as far as not seeing a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, and this high moves on over for the middle of the week, and that is pretty much going to suppress storms. Towards the end of the week, though, the high shifts off to the east, and here comes more moisture into western sections of the state, and means an uptick in shower activity. And, of course, you'll see that in the 7-day forecast. But in the meantime, we are pretty much crystal clear, essentially, and we may see a few spotty showers up in our area mountains. The precipitation forecast tomorrow afternoon looking pretty quiet statewide for us as that high begins to shift further east over New Mexico. So right now, though, pretty much all those mountainous regions from New Mexico up to Montana seeing the showers. Back off to the southeast, some strong storms there around Atlanta. Temperatures remain in the 80s and 90s off to our south and east. 80s up in Denver, 85 Boise, 67 San Francisco. And tomorrow's highs well on into the 90s down in El Paso, with the same in Denver as that high begins to move over and suppress the storms, and warm temperatures up pretty good as well. Tonight we'll be in the 50s and 40s. But tomorrow's highs well on the 90s around Durango, 91 in Cortez, and 95 in Farmington. We'll see mid-80s around Pagosa Springs and Alamosa. As far as the next 7 days, there you go, Durango. It looks like it's going to be pretty quiet well on through Thursday. But as that high moves off into Texas, that is what we are going to count on, and we could see an uptick in showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures will also be a little bit warmer into the 90s. One thing is for sure, though, we will remain warm and dry in Farmington at least the next couple of days, with spot showers and storms increasing by Thursday late in the evening, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday extending. Temperatures will be up into the upper 90s to near 100 degrees for the weekend, so it looks like a scorcher, but still those afternoon storms could bring much needed cooling on into the day, of course, as we start to see those temperatures on the rise. 96 on Monday with afternoon showers.